Hello everyone, welcome again. Now, today I'm going to make some sentences on being. Let's take some examples. Ice cream is being eaten. The room is being cleaned. The car is being serviced. Is he being shifted to the ICU? I was being scored at. You were being scored at. She was being scored at. He was being scored at. I am being told. You are being told. He is being told. She is being told. And dear students, don't go anywhere. If you want to really improve your English communication skills. Actually, I am recording every day videos for you. So always keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Till the time, watch this.